We'll try these. Are you done making a mess?
Yep.
That was fun though. Love the experience.
We might have to make this a 2-part video.
Moving everything to the center. I'm gonna choose these. These are Japanese style baked sponge cake. I seen somebody in the market grab these, so I was like, okay, period. We'll try it too.
Okay, period.
It's the original flavor.
Maybe that's one of my pet peeves. People say period.
Okay, anyways.
Your sentence automatically ends with a period.
Don't be annoying.
Ooh.
Looks like a... Here, let me just show.
Yeah, I can only eat like half of that.
That's what it looks like. They're cut into small pieces, but it's a sponge cake.
I don't really like cake.
Should we half it?
Can you grab me a glass of milk?
No.
Fine. I can only eat desserts with milk.
Weirdo.
This is gonna make me not like it.
Um,
Alright.
it tastes exactly what it says, like a sponge cake.
You know what this would be good? Using it as like the tres leches cake. This would be hella good for that.
Yeah, you're right.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
I'll give it a 7.
Alright, I need something salty.
Okay.
Try these hot and spicy cuttlefish crackers. Ooh.
Smells like fish.
Very fishy.
But so do shrimp chips. And I love shrimp chips. These are good.
It tastes exactly like the shrimp
Shrimp
chips. Yeah, the ones that we usually get. Not bad.
This is what it looks like.
I'll give it a 8
I
out
love
of 10.
shrimp chips. So, a 10. These are yummy.
Next, I think I need something to wash it down.
We're gonna try the pineapple one.
You should save these and try one of these ones.
But I want to try the pineapple one. Oh,
Told you.
mine wasn't as much as yours. I can't even drink. How do you drink out of these things? Tastes yummy. Let me go get it. Because it did spill. It's yummy.
Not as good as the blue one. 7 out of 10. Alright, let's try these taco chips, seafood flavor. Oh, they're little fishies. These are good.
10 out of 10 for me. I love these.
Same. There's not even like those shrimp chips or the cuttlefish chips we had were pretty strong. These ones are like more subtle.
Try this one. It
Kinda
has
like-
more flavoring. They're good.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. Wait. I'm gonna try these next. Lychee coconut jelly.
Jello shots.
Hey.
My kids love. We always get the kids Jello ones. They love those.
I love them. So we kind of got these for us to try, but also to give to our kids because they live. Oh, and I broke it. Nice.
The only thing that sucks about these
Trying
is,
to get it open.
Yeah.
I can't open it.
I always love the little liquid that's on the top.
These are...
Look at that. Straight out of the thing.
Finally. Yeah.
I don't really like Jell-O. Just like the mochi, that kind of texture makes me want to throw up. I mean, it tastes good, but just for that reason, I would give it a 7 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I do like lychee flavoring though. Let's try this one. This one is a Poppin' Cookin' Tanoshi Bento. Fried chicken, broccoli, rice ball, spaghetti, egg roll, sausage, and a panda rice ball. Oh, yo. What the heck?
We gotta make it?
Yeah, you have to add like water and stuff to this.
We're not gonna try this right now.
Wait. Let me just open it and look at it.
This is too much work. We're just gonna let our kids play with it.
What? You're crazy, man.
That's so cute, but I ain't making any of this.
So I guess you're supposed to take these packets and you mix it with the water.
To make the candy.
Oh my gosh. Fried chicken candy powder.
This is rice ball.
They legit have broccoli candy powder.
This is sausage candy powder and egg roll candy powder.
Seaweed candy powder.
And spaghetti.
We'll save this for later. It's too much work.
My turn. Okay, these are Japanese style softly fried dried squid.
Last time I had
Sounds
squid,
so
I
good.
threw up.
Who's your baby?
So I'm doing this for the content.
Oh!
I'm just gonna do not do that.
Smells like...
I'm just gonna imagine their bacon strips. Oh my gosh.
This piece is huge.
I'm already dreading this.
I got a smaller piece.
What the? Here, take some of this off.
Okay.
A lot more of this off. Yeah. I'm gonna do this.
Cheers. It's good.
0.
He's a baby.
0 out of 10. I don't care what's next. I'm drinking this.
This is
Thai
good.
tea drink. 0 out of 10.
This is a
The
10 out of 10.
texture is way too chewy.
It reminds me of like the dried squid and dried squid. That in Hawaii was good. He's just gonna love this.
I don't like this either. Give me this.
Oh,
I'm drinking this last soda.
what is it?
It's a Thai drink. Thai tea. I don't like...
He just doesn't like teas.
Yeah. I don't like this one either. It's not my
Cup of tea.
I will give
Pun
this
intended.
a 0 out of 10. Where's
This is-
the paper towels? Get rid
Thai
of this.
tea. Just don't leave it in there as long so it doesn't fizz up. Just pop it in and take it out. See? What flavor is that? Is that peach? I want to taste.
This is just what I needed.
It tastes like peach soda.
Okay, we are down to our last 3 snacks. We have a strawberry sandwich
This is very
biscuit.
strong.
Oh yeah, do your ratings for those.
This isn't bad. It tastes like Thai. Or not Thai. It tastes like chai. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like chai.
So what would you give it?
I would give it a 5. Okay, so this is next. So this is a sandwich biscuit.
Strawberry filling. Wait.
Strawberry
I think
sharing one.
there's 2 in here.
Oh, it's a couple. Oh, yeah. Cheers. This is good.
Tastes like an oversized Oreo.
I like this a lot. I like the biscuit to cream ratio because it gives you more biscuit because they know that the cream is very like
strong flavor.
Yeah, it's really good.
I would give this an 8 out of 10. And then the last one we have is a Hello Kitty strawberry cracker.
That passion was really good. I'm actually gonna give it a 10.
We'll split this in half. Oh, there's 2.
It's just like a pink cracker.
Yeah, it's like a white rice cracker.
Rice cracker, yeah. Cheers. My kids are gonna love these.
It has like a weird taste. It's like sweet, but I don't know how to describe it.
It tastes like a rice cracker. Oh, it's good. I would give that a 9. Maybe an 8, sorry.
I'll give it
an 8.
7. Okay, last one, bubble milk tea drink. Taro flavor. I already don't like this.
He doesn't like taro.
I like fruity flavored stuff. Especially my bobas, they gotta be fruit flavored.
I love taro.
And I don't like the tapioca balls. That's why I always get the popping or the jelly, like the lychee jelly things. How was it? If you don't like it, I already know I'm not gonna like it.
Just taste it. It doesn't hurt to taste. I love my boba place, and I would never cheat on them.
No.
I know this is very convenient for most people, so they don't have to wait for people to make boba, but I love my boba place.
Once again, not my cup of tea.
But I'm gonna finish it though.
Can you bring back my other drink? Pretty interesting, all the snacks we had.
Yeah. Very interesting.
There was a few we'd recommend, a few I would not recommend. But we hope you enjoyed the video. If you like videos like this, let us know. We might just have to
make more.
Make more, yes.
Because we did open it with like Japan opening their borders. Japan is on our bucket list.
I just want to go visit the anime stores out there. I'm a big anime fan. This vest is going for my costume this year, Naruto. If you know, you know.
I'm dead. But
like,
comment,
and subscribe to our channel.
Channel.
Thanks for joining us today while we eat in front of the camera. Hopefully this makes you want to go to your
local Asian marketplace and get some snacks and try it out.
Yes.
We definitely recommend.
There was definitely a few gems in this variety that we had.
The experience overall was great.
We'll see you next time.
Bye guys. Back to eating matchas.